Hello everyone, Janice here, and this will be the third Visual Basic tutorial. So in the last tutorial I promised you that I'll be showing you how to get user input today. And so in the last video I was showing you something about variables and stuff, and I'll put a link if you haven't seen those yet, because you'll probably want to do that. So, well, in many programming languages you have to input, or no, to get some kind of controller or scanner to get the information. Although in Visual Basic it's really easy. All you do is exactly what you do down here as well. Console.readLine. Except you want to do, let's say for an example, WriteLine, console.WriteLine, and then what is your name? Yeah, and also you can do, instead of write a line, if you just do write, it won't go a line down, which can be good in these kinds of cases. So we'll do like that, and we'll do dim name dim name as string is equal to console.readLine. Okay, so now if we do this right here, you just say, what is your name? Jonas. Nothing more. And that's because we have not written the name on the screen yet. So if we go ahead and do console.WriteLine, then we just do name, or you can do something like hello and name. Yep, hello and name, and we'll do this. We could do Jonas. Hello Jonas. So pretty much it says put the variable name as a string to console.readLine. It says read line, read whatever the input in here is. And then down here it says write the line of hello and the name, and we have just set the name to readLine right here. Also the thing, you can't use a variable that you have not already told to be something, which probably makes sense, but to some people it might not make that much sense when they first see it. So, how much time? 2 minutes. Okay, I think I'll be showing you how to do some if-else statements as well. So let's say we now have this name here, and then we would do right here. Down here we'll do if name is equal to, and then we could do something like Pete. Then if you press enter, then they'll have to use a and if, which pretty much means end the if statement here. That was another programming language. Okay, so now it says if the variable name is equal to the string Pete, then do whatever's inside of here. So we could do console.WriteLine, and it could be logged in as and name. Okay, so if I type Jonas, nothing happens at all. Although if I type Pete, logged in as Pete. And we could do else as well down here. And that has to be inside of the if statement. We can do else, and then console.WriteLine, wrong name. So if I do Jonas, it will say wrong name. So go ahead and play around with this. What kind of homework should this be? Well, try and do a simple kind of login system with a username, a password, and maybe an ID. And remember that would be an dim ID as integer. So try and put out some different stuff for a login system, and have some. Oh yeah, and if you really want some challenging here, although it would be kind of hard to do it just like this, but kind of add a person, and then if you type the right name, it'll show the different person's information. So yeah, try and make some small programs with this. The if-else statement opens a lot of stuff. You can also do small games like if if text is equal to go left, go to, and then inside of here if or do another if statement. All of that's called do another if statement, and then that's called nested. But I'll do that in the next tutorial. Nested if statements. So yeah, play around with this a little bit, have a lot of fun with that, and if you want to, you can go to paste bin. It's like this. You can put in the code there, and you can try and put it in the description if that's what you want, so other people can see it. Like try and share it and share some ideas and stuff like that. And yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. That encourages me to do more videos, and it's a lot more fun knowing that someone is actually watching them. So yeah, that's it. See ya.